distance, a ribbon of black, stretched to the point of no turning back. A flight of fancy on a windswept field, standing alone, my senses reel. A fatal attraction that's holding me fast. How can I escape this irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky. Tongue tied and twisted, just an earthbound listening high. Ice is forming on the tips of my wings. Unheeded warnings, I thought of everything. No navigator to guide my way home. Unladen, empty, and turned to stone. The sole intention is learning to fly. Condition grounded, but determined to try. Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky. Tongue tied and twisted, just the earthbound listening high. Of the planet, on a wing and a prayer. Light broken halo, the vapor trail in the empty air. Above the clouds I see my shadow fly. Out of the corner of my watering eye. To dream and thrill by the morning light. Could blow